Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to do emo, scene, metal, punk, goth. Emo, metal, punk, goth hair. So basically you're going to take this old nasty looking mohawk and we're going to turn it into emo. That's the plan. So first off is to get rid of that middle part. And now it's already looking like emo than it already was. But it's actually not. You need a straightener. So go do that. Go get you one. Oh, that's a lot of soda. Wow. You need a straightener. Alright, now you're gonna be like every scene kid that I know and straighten your nice open hair. And then you're gonna make a knot of it. So basically, pull it all there and go at it. You just can't have any ends that are like leaky, you know? And that's my whole look, basically. In a nutshell. Next, you're just gonna wanna finish it. Basically gonna wanna touch it with your hands and just kind of move it up, poof it. And that's basically all I do. Yeah. Alright. Cool. You know. Have fun with it. There will be a more in-depth tutorial whenever I have hairspray and other such products, but this is all I got right now. It looks a little bit better if you wash your hair, but I don't have time for that. Yeah, that's it. Now for your clothes, you're just gonna want to wear black, okay? Black on black. Yeah, that's all the advice I can give you. Black. Okay, have fun with it.